Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an engagement invitation video in Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, you're going to tap on the search bar and you just need to type in engagement invitation video, or you can type in engagement video. After doing that, I want you to select engagement invitation video right here. Then you can see that you are provided with over 20,000 different templates that you can choose from. These templates are created by Canva to make it easier for you or me as a beginner to create a beautiful looking engagement video in no time. So all you have to do is browse around by moving around your mouse cursor until you see a template that you like. So you can see right there, this is a nice looking one, and you can scroll down and you can view the different templates. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, you need to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But if you want to sign up to Canva under your paid plan, I definitely think you should if you have the money to do that, as it is a good investment. So you can scroll through until you have found a template that you like. So let's say for example's sake I want to use this particular template. I'll select the template, then tap on customize this template. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. And there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to on this page. The first thing is in the bottom left hand corner, right where you see 10.3 seconds, that means that the video length at the moment is 10.3 seconds. The other thing that I want you to do, right where you see the slider and you see 25%, that is basically the zoom. So you can pull along to the right and you'll be able to get a better view of the video on your timeline. Now to start making changes. For example, we're going to be changing the name first. So you can select the name. So let's select the name right there. And from there, you could type in your partner's name, or you can type in the individuals that are getting married name. So you can change the names right here. So let me do that real quick. After you have adjusted the names, the next thing you can do, if you would like to change the font style, because I think that this font style is a bit crowded, you can select the text, just like what you did earlier, then go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you can see different text styles that you can choose from. So you can select any one of the text styles to your liking, so you can play around until you have found one that you like. Now let's say for example, say just for the sake of time, I'll just use a random one. So let's say this one right here. So I'm just going to be changing both of them. So I'm just going to change this one also. So I'll select the text. I'm just going to change it also, so you can see right there. Then I'm going to increase the font style. And to do that, you're going to tap right where you see 65.2 on my screen. And that's where you'll be able to increase the font. So I'm going to increase it to 72. And let's increase this one also to 72. Once you have done that and you have made your changes, if you would like to change the background color, you can select the entire page. Then you're going to see a color box pop up in the top left hand corner. You're going to tap on that. Then from there, you could select the color that you would like to change the background to. So you can see these are the photo colors. So you can select one of these, or you can select any one of the default colors. But I'm going to leave this as is. Now, if we were to scroll down, I would recommend that you adjust the date, unless surprisingly it is the date that you want to get married at. So I'm going to change the date right there. You can also add in the address, and you can also add in the location. Now, if we were to tap on play, you can see how it looks right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add another page which will show the persons that are getting married picture, you can do that by tapping on the plus that says add page. After tapping on the plus, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And from there, you could tap right where you see uploads, and you could upload the couple's picture. But for this example, I'm going to be using copyright-free images. So I'm going to tap on elements. Then from there, I'm just going to search for couple. And I'm just going to tap on photos right here, and I'm just going to use one of these random photos. So let's say for example's sake, I'm going to be using this photo. You'll drag and place the photo. then tap on the three dots, and you're going to tap on set image as background. So you can see right there, I've now added this image as my photo for the couple. Now if you would like to make it animated, meaning that it is slightly moving or so on, you can do that also. What I would recommend you do before adding the photo as the background, you're going to tap on detach image, and then you can add something else. So for example sake, I'll change the background color. So I'll select the entire page, then I would select the color circle right there. I'm just going to change the background color. Then I would select the photo, then you can see the animation style. So if I were to play it, you can see how it looks right there. And all you'll need to do if you would like to change the animation, you can tap right where you see photorize on my screen, and then you can play around with the different animations as you can see right here. You can select any one of these animations to your liking. So you can see right there, you have photo flow, photorize, photo zoom. You have numerous options that you can select from. So it all depends which one you would like to use, as you can see right there. So once you have found one that you like, you can select that particular animation. So let's say this one. After you have done that, you can also add transitions if you want in between. By tapping in between the page, you could tap on add transition, and then from there you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could select a transition that you would like to use. So you can see the different effects of the transitions right there. So you can choose which one you would like to use. Once you're finished, you can now adjust the timeline. So if you would like this, instead of being 10 seconds long, let's say we want to cut it down to 5 seconds, you can simply pull along it to the left, as you can see right there. And I've now adjusted it to 5 seconds. And if we were to tap on play, so let's carry the cursor back to the front and tap on play, and you can see how it looks right there. Now that you have created your video, it is now time to add audio. To add audio, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and then you could select audio and tap on upload files. This is where you'll be able to upload your favorite song if you have it downloaded on your device. If you don't have a song on your device, what I would recommend you do is go onto either Pixels or any other platform that you'll be able to download royalty-free songs from, and then you can add it right here. Or you can even tap on elements in the top left-hand corner, and then once you have tapped on elements, from there you could type in wedding for example sake and tap on enter. Then from the top you could select audio, and you can scroll down and you can see different audio tracks that you can use. Keep in mind, any one of the audio tracks that you see with the crown that says Pro, again, you would have to be a paid subscriber. Once you have found an audio track that you like, you'll drag and place it on your timeline. Then if I were to tap on play now, you can hear the audio track. Once it is finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, and you're going to tap on download once more. And you now have your invitation video that you can share with anyone. If you don't want to download the video and instead you would like to share it as a link, you can also do that. So all you'll need to do is select public view link right here. And then from there, you could tap on create link with watermark if you want, and you can share it. And keep in mind that the persons that you share this link with do not need to have a Canva account to view it, and they don't need to sign up or anything like that. They can simply tap on the link and they'll be able to view it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.